The microblading healing process. Everything you need to know. In part 1, we learned what microblading is. And in part 2, we explored how the procedure is performed. Now, let's talk about what happens after your appointment, the healing process. Understanding how your eyebrows heal is just as important as the procedure itself because the appearance of your brows will change several times before you see the final result. Immediately after microblading, your eyebrows will appear darker, sharper, and more defined than expected. This is completely normal. The pigment is fresh and your skin has experienced tiny, controlled micro-incisions that need time to heal. During the first few days, you may notice mild redness, slight swelling, tenderness, or a feeling of tightness around your eyebrows. These reactions are temporary and are a normal part of your body's healing response. As healing continues, your eyebrows may begin to feel dry, and you may notice light flaking or tiny scabs. This happens because your skin is naturally replacing damaged cells with healthy new skin. Although it can be tempting, never pick, scratch, or peel the flakes, as this may remove pigment before it has fully settled and can lead to uneven healing. Around the second week, many clients become concerned because their eyebrows suddenly look much lighter or seem to have disappeared. This stage is known as the fading phase. Don't panic. The pigment is still beneath the surface. A thin layer of healing skin temporarily softens the color, making it appear lighter than it really is. As your skin continues to recover, the color gradually returns and settles into a softer, more natural shade. This is why your healed brows will never look as dark as they did immediately after the procedure. For most people, complete healing takes approximately 4 to 6 weeks. Although the exact timeline varies depending on your skin type, age, lifestyle, immune response, and how well your skin retains pigment. Once your eyebrows have fully healed, your brow artist will usually schedule a perfecting touch-up appointment. This visit allows the artist to reinforce any areas where the pigment healed lighter, refine the shape if necessary, and ensure your brows achieve the most balanced and natural-looking result possible. Remember, healing is a journey, not an overnight transformation. Every stage from the initial darkness to the fading phase, and finally the healed result is a normal part of the process. Patience is one of the keys to beautiful microblading. But your results don't depend on healing alone. What you do during those first few weeks can have a huge impact on how your eyebrows look and how long they last. In part 4, I'll share the complete microblading aftercare guide, including the essential do's and don'ts, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and the professional tips that help your brows heal beautifully and stay looking their best. Follow this page, and I'll see you in part 4. If you're thinking about getting beautiful, natural-looking brows, send me a message today. I'll be happy to answer your questions and give you more information.